Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to talk about this amazing jewelry brand that is called Jiva, and I'm going to talk about 4 beautiful pieces that I have from this brand. I'm going to talk about the packaging, I'm going to talk about the product, I'm going to talk about how to take care of these products. And if you are into minimal jewelry, if you love those elegant, classy, minimal pieces, then these are the jewelry for you. You will love each and every design, and this brand comes up with amazing and unique, elegant designs. I'm going to show you all about that. So if you are interested in knowing about these amazing pieces, so keep on watching. So let's start with the packaging first, and the jewelry comes in this amazing white cardboard box, and so you need to remove the packaging like this, and then this is a magnetic case. So this is also very nice that this comes in a very nice elegant packaging, and here you will get a card first, and beneath the card you will get your jewelry design, and the jewelry is amazingly packed in this small airtight packaging. And when you open it, you basically get a piece of cloth, so basically to clean your jewelry piece and to keep it nicely in the box. And here you will get the certificate of authenticity. It says that this beautiful piece of jewelry is hallmarked with 0.925 sterling silver and is made up of 92.5% pure sterling silver, high quality zirconia stones, and AAA plus graded freshwater pearls. So basically they give you the certificate of authenticity so that you know that you are buying an authentic product, and you have the certificate as well, so you can keep your jewelry safe in it. You also get a clothing piece to clean your jewelry. So they have done a full job, and they also have mentioned all the points on how to take care of the jewelry. So all the points are mentioned below. I'm going to just give a quick read for you guys. This says that keep it clean after wearing, clean it with a dry cloth. So the cloth is inside the bag, inside the packaging, so you need to just clean it, and you need to store it in a plastic ziploc bag or any airtight box, and you need to avoid direct contact. So always remember that you should not put your perfume, your soap, water directly to your jewelry piece, and you need to avoid it from anything acidic. And the jewelry is a delicate product, so you need to of course avoid any pulling or banging if you want to cherish it forever. It also says that please follow these tips to avoid fading of the polish or oxidation of your jewelry. You need to just keep these few points in mind if you want your jewelry to look like as it is looking on day one. So you just need to follow these tips, and you need to just clean it with the cloth that is provided, and you need to keep it in that ziploc bag in an airtight container, and this way your jewelry will remain forever and your jewelry will always look nice. And now let me just quickly show you guys the 4 amazing pieces that I have. And the first piece that I have is I'm wearing currently, and this is something I've been wearing since the past 6 months. So I think I got these 3 pieces I got in February, and I've been wearing them continuously. The chain is delicate and it's not very thick, so you need to take care of that. So if you are into minimal design, if you love those elegant, classy pieces, then this is for you. So this is a very delicate chain, so you need to avoid any pulling or any banging of the product. So this just goes with every piece of clothing that I have. It looks very elegant all the time, and I've been wearing it since 6 months. And yeah, you just need to make sure that you're taking good care of your jewelry. It will go a long time. And this pendant has these amazing small stones embedded in it, and it looks very elegant. So yeah, I am in love with this piece, and since the day I've gotten it, I'm just wearing it continuously, and this is my most favorite piece out of all the pieces. So the first neck piece that I have is a rose gold neck piece, and the second neck piece is a gold neck piece, and this is how it looks like. Again, it's very elegant, it's very minimal. You will love these designs if you are into minimal jewelry. These look so elegant on your neck. I'm just going to use these 2 words today, elegant and minimal, because these 2 just define these jewelry pieces amazingly. And these have these star pattern, and the stones are in the star shape embedded on the star, and these has these multiple stars on it, and this also looks very, very classy. So with both of the jewelry pieces, you can adjust the length according to your need. You can make it a choker, you can just keep the length up till here, so it's on upon your preference, whatever you want to, however you want to wear these jewelry pieces. As these come with a long chain. So yeah, this is all about these 2 amazing neck pieces that I got from Jiva. Coming to the third jewelry piece, which are these amazing pearl earrings. So this is how these earrings look like, and these are so authentic. The white color on the pearl is beautiful and these just shine very nicely. So I got these because these look elegant, these look very professional, so that's why I wanted to get my hands on authentic pearls, and I think these look amazing. And yeah, so if you're looking to buy some authentic pearls, you can definitely check these one out. So the polish has not faded off. It's been 6 months that I'm using it. The polish is intact and these just look amazing, very nice to wear. And yeah, so if you want that professional look on yourself, if you want to look polished, then you can definitely check out these pearl earrings. And now coming to the fourth jewelry piece, which came in this beautiful packaging again. So this is a bracelet, so that's why it came in a different packaging, in a cardboard packaging like this. And this is how your beautiful bracelet looks like. So I wanted a nice evil eye bracelet. I was searching for a nice evil eye bracelet since a very long time, and I just saw this one in rose gold color and I knew that I wanted it. So this is a very beautiful, very nice, I mean the rose gold color just shines off. I really love rose gold jewelry more than gold jewelry, so that's why I opted for the rose gold color. And this looks very elegant. It's very minimal again, and you get the adjuster in the back, of course. And yeah, so this came in this beautiful packaging and the certificate of authenticity lies underneath. The polish on this is intact. I've worn it not many times, but I've worn it at least 7 to 8 times, and this is how it looks like. So after wearing all the jewelry pieces, I make sure to put them back in the original packaging so that the color will not fade off and these can remain as it is. So you need to make sure that you put it back in the original packaging, as you are paying a good amount for all of these jewelry pieces, but these will also last for a very long time if you just follow these simple instructions. And yeah, so this is all about these amazing 4 jewelry pieces. And if you are into these minimal elegant designs, then you can definitely check it out. And if you don't want to invest in real gold jewelry, and if you don't like wearing those cheap quality jewelry, so this range is something that comes in between, and you can definitely check out, as these will not look cheap, these will not look anything bad, these will just make your outfit or make your look super amazing. So this is all about this amazing Jiva jewelry review, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.